Jairus, Caitlin, Lumaca, Rasunade, Pasigarbo, gina-representa Kalinaw, the last 3.
What is the most misunderstood thing about being a member of the LGBTQIA+ community, and how would you educate others about it?
As a part of the LGBTQIA+ community, the most misunderstood thing about us is that people would say that we are the cause of HIV. We are the reason that HIV is spreading, but actually we are not, because there are also straight communities that are truly affected. As an HIV counselor and advocate myself, I usually do to coordinate, communicate, and educate them to spread awareness. As RA 11166, it protects us to discrimination who access free HIV testing. That is why it is time for us to spread the good news, not the virus. Thank you so much.
There you have it. Thank you so much. Stand at number 3. To advance. This is yours, Queen Number. If chosen as ambassadress of the LGBT, how would you support and protect the right of the LGBT?
If chosen as an ambassadress of LGBT, I will be serving myself as a representation of hope, inspiration, and empowerment. I hope for the LGBTQIA+ community to be seen and recognized, to be a representation of inspiration that despite of the criticism and difficulties we experience, I am standing here today sharing inspiring stories and a representation of empowerment. Through empowering LGBTQIA+ community, by uplifting and supporting them, we could be able to have a respectful community and a united society. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Queen. Alive Queen.